Today is day 15 and I'm going to speak about harnessing the power of visualization, why it is important, why visualization is important, and how we can use it to manifest our desires. Hi, I'm Parra Vivas. I am an Amazon bestseller and multi-award winning author, and I help working women to reconcile their personal and their professional lives so they can achieve a successful, well-balanced lifestyle. We are always practicing visualization all the time. For example, when you imagine what happened during the day, or you're remembering those things, or when you are thinking about the things that you're gonna do tomorrow, or let's say you have vacation, you are already planning in your head what are the things that you're gonna do. Or for example, somebody say that something to you that was not nice. You start remembering those things and you start imagining those things. You are visualizing something. Always, we are doing that. We are always using our imagination. The thing is, a lot of people are not aware of it. And like me, I didn't understand how important it was being in control of those ideas and how really have those ideas in control. Now I do. And I hope you also understand that we can manifest our desires by truly using visualization to manifest our desire in a good way. Because if we start imagining and visualizing the things that we don't want or the things that we didn't like, we're gonna manifest that again and again. Why is that? Why this works? It is hard to me to explain this because it is something that we don't see. It's something that we don't touch. So a lot of people don't believe in this because they don't see it. But it works all the time, like at the law of gravity. You don't touch it. I mean, we just hear it on these plays, but it's working all the time, even if you are aware of it or not. It is the same thing. Everything that we're living right now once was part of what we imagined. It was in our minds before. Anything that is created right now in this planet, it was in the mind of somebody. So everything starts in our mind. So we had to use this power that is within us to manifest the life we desire. Think about this. When we imagine something, let's say you want a better home. You want to live in a better neighborhood. Or you want work-life balance for you. You want to wake up in peace and not be in a hurry and not be stressed out all day long and really enjoy the day, enjoy your work, enjoy what I do, enjoy your children, enjoy your family. That is what you want. You got that idea because it was probably in another plane. And just bear with me because this is really how it is. So it is in another plane. You got the idea from that plane, another dimension you can call it. And you got that from there, and that is because it is possible for you. Everything that human beings think and will imagine, or what they want, everything is there in another dimension and is already created. That's why Neville Goddard say creation is finished. That's why he say that. So let's see, you want this better life for you. You want this better, but you don't know how. And that is okay. That is okay. The how will be revealed to you once you keep thinking from the end, which means visualizing that life. You are imagining that life all the time. So instead of imagining things that you don't want, imagine the things you want. Imagine yourself living in that life, being in peace. I did this because I really wanted the life that I am living right now. It wasn't like this. It was just stress and my health, and it was just not good. I was not in balance. And I said, I want balance in my life. I do. And what I did, I would start by little. It takes time because all the time I was imagining things I didn't want. But I started studying and reading and really listening to this information every single day, and then I started believing that life was possible for me because I saw other people achieving it. So I say, if they got it, I can also. So start using visualization to manifest your desire. Anything can be manifest it. And if you got that idea, it is because it is for you. Let's say you want to work in a place where you feel appreciated and you earn the money you deserve and it's closer to your house or I don't know, you want something. So that is possible for you, but you have to start imagining, thinking that you are already in that position, that you are already working in that, you don't know the company, let's just say you're just there and people appreciate it, and people is so fun and nice, and you're earning the money, you feel so comfortable and proud of yourself. Imagine that. That is visualization. Imagine that. And what I do is, right now I am really thinking about my goal. Not thinking, I am really imagining and feeling my goal almost all day long. But the way you start is, you can start 5 minutes every day and then start progressing. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your day with your loved ones. I will be doing the same. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.